Hello and welcome to New Horizons. My name is Dylan Bryant, and tonight we are going to be photographing Mars. I just got the telescope set up, and we are going to see what we can get. We are now looking at a live view of Mars. Unfortunately, we will not be able to see much detail on the planet until I stack and process this video, but what I can see is darker soil in the south as well as ice caps in the north. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to spend the rest of the evening imaging the planet, then we will meet up to stack and examine these images. Alright guys, so we are in ASI Video Stack, and what I'm going to do is literally just hit this stack button, and we're going to wait for a little bit, wait for it to stack, and see what we get. Alright guys, so we are now in Photoshop, and what I have here is the best picture of Mars I was able to get tonight. Now what I did was I actually imported a snapshot of what exactly we're looking at using an app called Sky Safari, and we can actually see some pretty cool things. So most obvious is, if we go back and forth, we see Valles Marineris, and this is the largest canyon in the solar system, and it's actually the size of the United States, which is actually kind of mind-boggling when you think about it, and just given how small it looks in this image. Now I'm actually going to swap back to the original view, and as you can see, it is right there. And as I go back and forth, it becomes more obvious. Now another thing that's much harder to see is actually we can see Olympus Mons, which if you guys don't know what Olympus Mons is the largest volcano in the solar system. And if I flash back and forth, you can kind of see something right here. And that's what I assume to be Olympus Mons. You know, there is some sort of shading right here, and there's supposed to be an object, so I'm assuming that's Olympus Mons. But for sure, we can definitely see Valles Marineris right here. And just in general, we see a lot more detail in this darker soil down here. We can also see more detail with the ice cap up here, which we're seeing it's actually taking up a good portion of Mars' surface right here. I don't know if it's all clouds or if it's the actual ice cap has come down that far. I'm not 100% sure on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe. 2023 have a lot of stuff coming up, which is going to be very, very cool to see. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next week.